The organic fractionated coconut oil by Shiny Leaf is a lightweight oil loaded with benefits for well-nourished hair, skin, and body. Use the coconut oil to hydrate and add shine to your hair for easy everyday styling. Coconut oil comes from coconut meat. No fillers, no preservatives, no fragrance, none of the nasty stuff. Shiny Leaf oils are certified organic and cruelty-free. Fractionated coconut oil contains fatty acids that strengthen hair and support hair growth. It does not solidify, unlike other types of coconut oil, and that's why many people enjoy using coconut oil for body massage. You can use it as a makeup remover, and it leaves the skin feeling soft and looking radiant. The organic fractionated coconut oil by Shiny Leaf.
Shiny Leaf. Look good. Love yourself.